In this video, we're breaking down the truth behind Huel Ready-to-Drink Black Edition, featuring the much hyped chocolate peanut butter flavour. Is it worth the money? Is it healthy? And how does it stack up for real world use? As a registered nutritionist, I'll take you through the science, the flavour, the facts, and give you my honest take on when it's smart to use it and when it's not. Let's get started. So what is Huel and why do people trust it? It was founded in 2014 in the UK by Julian Hearn. Huel, short for human fuel, was created for people who wanted fast food that wasn't junk food. Teaming up with nutritionist James Collier, they designed a complete plant-based meal with the aim to make it nutritionally sound and environmentally sustainable.
So you found James Collier, the nutritionist?
Found James Collier. So we did the nutritionals really quite quick. He did a report. I had to find him. I had to interview a few people. I spoke to a guy in Australia, spoke to a guy in the US.
Over time, Huel has expanded into powders, bars, hot meals, and ready-to-drink bottles, like the one we're reviewing in this video. And if you want to hear my thoughts on all of these, I'll leave a link to my Huel playlist in the comments below. So what exactly is Huel Black Edition Ready to Drink? Well, it comes in a 500ml bottle that delivers a full meal, around 400 calories with a nutritional upgrade over the standard version. It packs 35 grams of complete plant-based protein, mainly from peas and fava beans, and uses healthy fats from flax, sunflower, canola, and coconut oils. Plus, it contains all 27 essential vitamins and minerals and is free from gluten, soy, and GMOs. Now, let's talk about the new chocolate peanut butter flavour. If you're a fan of that classic combo, you'll want to hear this. But before we do, I have a quick favour to ask. If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing. As a registered nutritionist, your support allows me to keep sharing trustworthy, evidence-based information you can really rely on. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Instead of using peanuts, it uses Huel butter, a peanut-free alternative, making it allergy-friendly. The taste, well, it seems to be rich, chocolatey, slightly nutty, and not overly sweet. This Reddit user said the following: I got Huel chocolate peanut butter flavour since it was peanut-free, and it turns out the taste is identical to chocolate with Huel butter. I'm already familiar with the flavour profile, so I was really happy to discover this. This one is a home run, and I hope they keep it around for a long time. Now, from what I can find, there are no specific negative comments about the chocolate peanut butter flavour, unlike previous complaints about other chocolate flavours being sour or chemically tasty. This user said the following: the chocolate though, it's just vile. It has this sour initial flavour that turns almost chemically at the end. Anyone else felt like this but managed to find a way to make it even okay-ish? I've seen a few people mentioning peanut butter, but I'm allergic and I tried it when it was super cold, which was another suggestion, but it didn't seem to help. Now let's have a look at the nutritional benefits of this ready-to-drink bottle. This shake seems solid nutritionally. You get 35 grams of protein, which helps muscle growth and repair, 67 grams of fibre, which helps you feeling full and for gut health. It has omega-3s and MCTs, which can help with heart and energy support, and it includes 27 vitamins and minerals, which can help you bones and brain health. It's also allergen friendly and great for vegans or anyone needing nutrition on the go. That said, remember, it's still a processed food. You shouldn't replace whole fruits, veggies, or grains with this entirely. It contains some processed ingredients like maltodextrin, which could cause gastrointestinal issues in people with sensitive stomachs. While highly nutritious, it doesn't provide all the phytonutrients and culinary enjoyment of whole foods. And if used as your only food source, fibre intake may become quite high, which could cause digestive discomfort for some. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. First, let's look at the pros. Well, it's a full meal in a bottle essentially. It's high in protein, it has balanced fats, it uses natural sweeteners. It's made from plant-based and sustainable, and it's, well, good if you're on the go a lot. However, it is not a substitute for whole foods. It may cause initial digestive issues because it is high in fibre. And in the long term, it is more expensive than doing your own meals. And the flavour variety is limited, so you might get taste fatigue. So you're now probably wondering how to actually use Huel Black Edition in real life. Well, it could be a good breakfast on the go option, and it could help to fuel you post-workout. Also, it might help to use during long work days and if you are travelling a lot. You could start with half a bottle if you're not used to high fibre shakes. Now, I've mentioned this already, but don't rely on it for every meal. balance it with whole foods when you can. But how does it compare to other ready-to-drink meal replacements out there on the market? First, let's compare Huel versus yFood. Nutritionally, both brands offer nutritionally complete meals with 26 essential vitamins and minerals. But Huel Ready-to-Drink has about 400 calories per 500ml bottle versus yFood, which is about 500 calories. Huel Ready-to-Drink typically has 20 grams of protein, 36 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of fat, while yFood Ready-to-Drink has higher protein, about 33 grams, higher carbs, about 38 grams, and more fat, about 27 grams. But Huel contains much lower sugar, about 4.2 grams, compared to yFood, which is about 15 grams, favouring blood sugar control and overall metabolic health. Huel is 100% vegan, while some yFood variants contain milk protein. What about the price? Well, Huel Ready-to-Drink retails from £3.42 per bottle in the UK, which is slightly cheaper than yFood at £3.50. Now let's compare the taste and texture. Huel Ready-to-Drink is described as having a thicker and earthier taste, which some find less sweet but more natural. yFood is often praised for a creamier, dessert-like flavour that many find more palatable. When it comes to convenience, yFood ready-to-drinks are marketed strongly as grab and go with no prep, while Huel offers more variety across powders, ready-to-drinks, bars and hot meals, giving choices but sometimes requiring preparation for the powders and the hot meals. And finally, the dietary suitability. Well, Huel's ready-to-drink is vegan and gluten-free, suitable for a wider range of dietary needs without dairy ingredients, which some yFood versions do contain. Next up is Huel versus Jimmy Joe Plenty Drink. Let's first look at the nutrition. Per 400 calorie serving, both are nutritionally complete. Huel Ready-to-Drink has slightly more fat, around 19 grams versus 15 grams, due to coconut oil, while Jimmy Joe has more carbs, around 45 grams versus 34 grams. Both have about 20 grams of protein and similar fibre, around 6 grams. When it comes to the price, Jimmy Joe Plenty Drink is slightly cheaper than Huel Ready-to-Drink, £3.09 versus £3.42. What about convenience and sustainability? Well, Jimmy Joe uses smaller packaging, 330ml versus a 500ml bottle, reducing shipping, water weight and carbon footprint. Huel uses plastic bottles with some recyclable content. Now that was a quick review, but if you want a deep dive video comparing meal replacement drinks, drop a comment below and let me know. So what are my final thoughts? Well, Huel Ready-to-Drink Black Edition, especially the chocolate peanut butter flavour, is a handy option for those hectic days when you don't have time for a full meal. Just remember to go for real whole foods when you can. They're usually simpler and better for you. If this video helped you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk nutrition reviews. And I want to know, have you tried Huel? Drop your favourite flavour in the comments. Catch you on the next one.